Let's draw 3D letters. We'll need a pencil, a marker, an eraser, a ruler, and white paper. First, draw a cube, because cubes are the basics of drawing 3D letters. Draw a square a little left from the middle of the paper. Then draw diagonals from each corner. We can call it depth. When drawn to the desired thickness, finish by drawing a horizontal and vertical line. See, we've got a cube. Now let's draw 3D letters. Draw block letters first. Make sure all horizontal lines are parallel to the horizon line of the paper. And all vertical lines have to stay vertical too. Then you draw diagonals of the same depth from each corner. Keep in mind not to draw through the letters. Finish by drawing more horizontal or vertical lines. Great! It'll be pretty if you color it. Do you want to draw it with me? It will be fun. I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next video. Bye!